2 minutes to be a good doctor. 3. Bowel sounds. After abdominal surgery, it is the happiest sound of them all. I listen to the bowel sounds for about 3 minutes in each of the 4 quadrants of the abdomen. The absence can indicate intestinal paralysis, also known as ileus. The fluid in the stomach can reach the lung through vomiting with catastrophic effect. The fluid in the intestine leads to third space loss. The loud gurgling sound you hear even without a stethoscope is called borborygmi. For more medical information, follow my 2 minutes to be a better doctor. Thank you.